Terry, open your eyes up. Open your eyes. Terry, open your eyes. There you go. Good. Good. Good job. Good job, young lady. Good job.
Maybe enough? Yeah, I think so. You know she has a lazy eye. I don't know if you're aware of that or not. She wore glasses all of her life. Because her one eye rolls in on her. Doesn't it? Huh? Isn't that one eye that rolls in on you? We used to make fun. You remember that? We used to laugh at that. You used to get Mommy all upset when you did that to her. You'd take your eye and let it roll in the side. Remember? Yeah. And Mommy would go crazy. And she'd say, Terry, what are you doing? You used to do that to your mommy? And she'd get all upset. She used to say, Terry, don't do that. Don't do that with your eyes.